All right, so this is Site of the Week, and this is probably the best mix of art with technology I've seen so far. This is from Shopify Editions Winter 26, and this is absolutely amazing. Just look at these transitions and look at this like WebGL effects when I scroll. Do you see also like the parallax and the art, the mix of the coffee here, the shopping bags, the Shopify thing, the skateboard, the shoes, and the Renaissance. And by the way, you see what they did there? The Renaissance, the Ren-AI Sense edition. That's nice, the AI edition. And man, the motion here is amazing. The art is just, I freaking love it. The mix that they have here, they have like 3D elements. This is like an actual like 3D element, and then these are kind of like 2.5D. You see, like it gives perspective, and this is like a video somehow, or like it has some motion in it. It's just so good. Like, do you see that, like the level of the details they have in the imagery with the and again, you see this 3D book in a painting. It's just so good. Or this one. This is one of my favorites. I mean, you see like the code, the art on one side, the code on the other side, and the motion that exists without me doing anything. And that I forgot to mention, like one of the best things about this website is the font pairing. So you see this font that works really well with the imagery, and then they have this one that is bold. It's just like the contrast of serif and sans serif is just so well made. They have this like whole 3D thing, and you see how the background is moving. It's just so well made. And then this desk in this beautiful place, and yeah, man, it is out of this world. And you see this key, I can click on it and look what happens. A new window pops up that is in sync with the window in the background. This is like insane. Oh, I got it.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. So this is really cool. So you take the key, kind of, it's like grabbing the key, and now you're moving it to somewhere to open something. So here we can click it, and then something happens in this screen and in the backgrounds. It's just insane. You see how the art style shifts, and it's kind of like a new view. Now you can go back the whole website and see a whole layer on top of what you could already see.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.